Hi, I'm going to demonstrate for the JMeter performance testing how to do performance testing using JMeter. So I wrote here a few points uh, which we are going to cover in the small basic demo session. How to install JMeter, how to install or check Java file in your system, download JMeter from the internet, open JMeter, and about all methods like put, get, post, delete, and difference between all method, and what is an HTTP request and what is header request, and how many ways we can do the testing using the JMeter. So let's start. Go to this apache.org website, jmeter.apache.org. Download these binaries. So it will be download automatically zip folder. So like this. I have downloaded already this zip folder. I have unzipped this one. Go to inside this zip folder, unzipped folder. Click on this one. Go to the bin folder. Inside the bin folder, there will be the batch file of the JMeter. So this one. If you will double click on this JMeter batch file, it will be launch the UI for JMeter UI. So now this JMeter UI is launched. Let me check which version I'm using for Java. Java hyphen version. I have 1.8 version. Yeah, so create new project here, performance project, performance demo. Go to the click on uh, click to right side, add the thread. Here I have added thread. Then click on again add. Go to the simple request. This HTTP request, and again click on right. Go to the configuration and add the header. This header we have added. So whenever we run any script, we need the output, right? Console. So here we can add the listener. Listener is nothing but we can check the result. Summary report in the table form. Complete detail we can check here, like what we sent and what we got the response. And in table form, if we want to see, then go to the summary report. So in the table form, we can see here like how many percentage is failed, how many percentage is got passed, what was the average request, how many request we sample request we created, what was the throughputs. So everything we can see in the table view. Let me save this. Now I'm going to add this script. So in the Google, just for simple demo purpose, I have this script. So let me change those name so that easily we can understand what we are going to do. Header, and here we have this request. Copy this. This is the path. I have copied in the path, and this is the HTTP header. Suppose if we are doing in the local machine or any inside the our lab we are doing, so we need to provide here IP and port number. now I am giving this URL because this data it will fetch from the this address. So here I have provided the server name, server detail and path. So same in the and same thing we need to add in the header. So click on the add button, add the content type. What is the content type? Content type is application JSON. Click on application JSON, accept, click on accept, accept type also, application JSON, cookies, I have added the cookies, and also sometime we required this two things also, like that plain or text. Sometime, not every time. Otherwise, it will be give the forbidden sometime, not all time. And cookie keep alive, and this encoding. This is not mandatory. Mandatory filter is only these three values: content type, accept. Now save, and here if we need to give the username password, then need to add here like username, and here the username password. So here we need to pass the password, key in value pairs like username, and here we can provide what is the username, whatever username is there, and password. So here we can pass the what is the password, like this we need to provide. So now we have body, so we need to copy in the body. I'm going to delete both, just demo purpose I have given those values. Yeah, inside the body, what we have body, this is body we need to pass there. So in the body data, paste here, let me run. Held, not found. What request we sent, what response we got, not found. So something we missed, our request is put. Now it's coming forbidden. Yeah, so now it's working fine. What I did here, I added this postman body in the body, and those header parameters I added like content type, connect, accept encoding, content types, the text and plain. So this I have added here, and this is the post method. So this data is created. We have post, get, delete, patch method. If we want to read this data and we need to check in the output, so we can use the get method, and what data we have to read, so we can put that their parameter in the body, and we can pass those request. Suppose I have to send 10 requests in 1 second, so need to increase the number of threads and we can send all requests. So save this request and run, so we will get the 10 requests, all requests got passed. So here we can check like what was the error percentage, it is 0. throughputs, like how many requests proceed, and this is total request 11, and this is the average time in the milliseconds. So here we can remove this, see, we can keep 0, and now let me check, clear this, save, and run again. What happened? Oh, loop count 0 means it will be now run 0 times. Ramp up duration is once, and here we can keep this 100. So 100 request it will be sent in 1 second. Click on run, it will be run, send the 100 request. Now it will be send the 100 request in the 1 second. You can see the here is timer. In 2 milliseconds it proceed, sorry, 2 seconds it proceed all 100. So it is, we cannot say like complete 2 seconds, because we given the 1 second and here is showing 2 seconds, means like this is complete in the 1 second and it started the second seconds. So this time here we can see, and total how many records we sent. So total 100 requests we have sent, here we can see. And if you want to save this in the Excel format or whatever format, like text format, so here we can provide that location and file name, so it will be saved data. And configuration means like what configurations we need in the output. We need in the this XML format, then we have to select this one. If not required, then we can remove these parameters. We can select, so it will be showing the result, output result. And now difference between the all methods. What is difference between get and post? Get means like when already request is created, means like already data is created in the backend or server side, and we have to read those data, so we will use the get. Delete means like if we want to delete those requests which already we created, so it will be use delete method to delete those data. And page or put, page means like modify, and put means like replacement, replace and modify, both we can do using the put. So like I have given name, like name is Kamal, again I want to put name equal to power, so I can use the put method and I can replace those parameters. Thanks for watching my video.